What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we're gonna be going over how to increase your average order value. Now, this is a very big thing, especially for the holidays, because people are buying in bundles, people are buying in bulk, and just getting a lot more quantity at once. And there are a couple of things that you can do to increase that. And I've definitely implemented a couple of things this time of year, and I mean, it's just been skyrocketing my average order value. So we're gonna be sharing all that, getting into a couple apps and stuff that's working right now. So if any time throughout this video you find it valuable, you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel to see more videos. And yeah, I really appreciate the support so far. So let's go ahead and let's get in with it. Let's get on my computer and get started. All right, so like I said previously, this video we're gonna be going over how to increase your average order value. There's really only one thing I really want to talk about in this video, one app that I want to talk about and kind of go over, just because I truly believe in this app, and I love this app. I've been using it for probably for about 3 months now, and it's been working incredible. The features that this app has are amazing. We're going to get into all those features. There wasn't really too much to write about it, just because we're going to go through and actually talk about the app and go through the app. But yeah, so pretty much the app is called Ultimate Special Offers. It's an upsell app, a bundle app, cross-sell app. You can pretty much do everything with this, and there's just a few features that I really like about it, and it converts like crazy. It converts very good. So like I said, this has skyrocketed my average order value and conversion rate. I'll show you why the conversion rate as well. So let's get into it. Here's the app. It's just called Ultimate Special Offers. So if you go on the App Store and Shopify, just type in Ultimate Special Offers, and it'll pop up. Obviously, you can go through and read all of it. We're going to actually walk through. They have a test store. We'll walk through it and show some features of the app and why I think it's so good. And just right off the bat, like, I'm not affiliated. I don't have an affiliate code. I don't have anything like that for this app. This is just literally my personal preference. So I don't want you to think that like I'm not making money by any means off this video, but I definitely do believe in this app. So let's get started with it. So pretty much what it is, it's an all-in-one sales solution. So it's got discounts, it's got buy one get one, bulk orders, bundle orders, volume orders, gifts, upsell, cross-sell. It's literally got everything. It's incredible. It's the pricing's not bad. It's a 10-day free trial. $19 a month for the basic, so whatever Shopify plan you're on. So if you're on the Shopify Plus, which is like you gotta be doing $500,000 a month to do that. Advanced Shopify plan, standard. Most people are on the basic plan, so it's gonna be about $20 a month, which is, it should definitely make you more than $20 a month with the upsells that it brings in. This is right now, it's making me about anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day extra from what I was making previously. So it's definitely worth $20 a month. So I mean, you can. So okay, let's see. So that's everything it has to offer. We'll go through and just a couple. So you can see here. So this is the cart. You can see that you can pick what you want it to say. So if someone asks me the cart that you have it installed with, you can make it say like, order at least 10 to get it at 40% off, or order at least 10 to get it at, or to get each one at $3 or $10, whatever you want it to be. So if they ask them in the cart, like they're always getting hit with a different offer, and they're always seeing that you're having discounts, which it's just really good, and it just converts well. There's not many apps out there that convert as well as this one does for me personally. So it also has this. So this is like kind of an upsell. So if you add something to cart and you go to your checkout page, it'll give you a whole bunch of different options to pick from. So these are all whatever similar stuff that they added to cart, and they're just gonna be much more entitled to buy. So it's just throwing a bunch of offers at their face. Let's go through the demo store. All right, so the store is actually not bad at all. Like the layout of it actually looks very good. But you can see it. So let's just go to this product. It should have. So this is part of it. Get a special gift when you spend £2,000. Spend $1,360 more and get 10% off. So actually, I already added something to cart previously when I was just checking it out. But that's really cool. So whatever money you have, like, it'll make you want to spend more and more. Obviously, this stuff is pretty expensive, but it works. So people are going to want to spend 1,000 more euros, or I'm not sure what that is, but I'm sure, yeah, euros. Let's change it to USD. So that's $160 for that. Okay, so let's add this to cart. We'll go to view cart, and you can see what it does. So it'll give you this. This is what I like the most. It'll give you this right here. So spend whatever, 1.22, whatever, that amount. Say if it's $1,000, I don't know, $1,000 more, and get 10% off. That right there is what I love most about it. And you can customize it to whatever you want it to say. Maybe you're giving $10 off, or maybe you're giving, I don't know, 10% off. Whatever it may be, it'll show up here, and that's going to really, really get people to want to buy more, so they can just add a lot more to cart. So what I like to do is, see, so now spend whatever and get 10% off. What I like to do the most is add or buy 4 or more to get 10% off. So then they just pick this. So if they'll say they have 1 added to cart, this will say get 2 more, or buy 3 more, whatever you can set it to whatever you want. So it'll say buy 3 more to get 15% off, or 20% off, or 10% off. And that converts. That will get so many people to buy a lot. So it's that. I mean, that's one thing I like most about it. Let's see if they have. I'm trying to find if they have this one thing. If you just go to their checkout page, let's see. No, so this doesn't have it. I have it on my store. I don't really want to show my store right now. Maybe I'll go and try to find a store real fast that has it. But it's pretty much like a little box that says, it's just a box, like a little box, and says, 2+ you get 20% off, or 3+ you get 25% off, 4+ you get 30% off, whatever. You can set it to whatever. But that I like that a lot, because that's on the product page, and they see that right there, so they'll keep adding more and more to get a bigger discount. And it's just a very basic upsell, but the features it has, like my favorite feature is the checkout. So when they do go to their checkout, they're hit with this. Like you can customize that to whatever, but when they're hit with this, like this is what I think converts the best. And they have a lot of different upsells, and let's see if we can get the chairs, because that was a cool upsell. Like with that picture that I had. Let's add this to cart and see if it hits us with that. Let's see, view cart. Nope. No. Didn't have the upsell yet, but I'm not sure what product that is that you have to add. Maybe it's a desk or something like that, or a table. But it's kind of cool. Like get a surprise gift when you spend 2,000 euros. So you can have it, like you can just throw in. So maybe you have a health and beauty store. You could throw in a makeup bag if they spend $200 on your store. And trust me, people will for sure keep adding the cart, because they're going to want a special gift. They're going to want the discounts. Everything's hitting perfectly, and it's not like spammy. Everything looks very, very good. I mean, it's not like it's like, get 10% off, 10% off, 15% off. Like everything's very not like, it's professional. And that's why I like it a lot. So it's not like crazy in your face and get this, get that, get that. It's just good. It's really good. And again, I've been using it for quite a while. And I'll just read off. So right now I'm selling some, it's a $70 product. I showed in the previous video, but the order values on these are crazy. It's, let's see. So I don't want to show the names, but it's, so this is the last, let's see, like 15 orders. $70, $70, 132, $132, $70, $209, $70, $350, $356, $70, $70, $70, $70, $70, $180. So it's adding. It really does work, and there's not many apps out there that I like this much. But this app actually makes money. It actually does increase your revenue, increase your sales, and it helps you with advertising. It helps you with your Facebook ads, because when your average order increases, you're able to spend more on ads. Like this did allow me to spend more on ads, just generate that data, and that's very beneficial in the long run. So I do highly recommend this app. Again, it's just called Ultimate Special Offers. It's very simple to set up. It's very, very affordable. 10-day free trial, so you can try it out. If you don't like it, cancel it. But it's $20 a month, and I strongly believe it can make you more than $20 a month. Again, I'm not affiliated with this app. I just been using it for the past couple of months, and it's increasing my revenue. Right now about anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a day. So that's, you know, an extra maybe $30,000 a month if I didn't download this app. So $20 for $30,000, it's there. And again, like that just helps me spend more on ads. It helps me scale higher. It just helps every scenario. So I strongly recommend it. Just try it out. I mean, again, it's 10-day free trial, so there's no reason why you shouldn't try it out. So just download it, Ultimate Special Offers. Give it a shot. Just, you know, customize it to whatever you want. It doesn't have to be you get 10% off. You could do like spend whatever and you get another product, or you get a product for free, like this free gift thing. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you had any questions at all throughout it, please shoot me a message on Instagram or just comment down below. I'd be happy to help you out there. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm going to try to post about 3 to 4 times a week. I think that's definitely going to be the sweet spot. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a good Q4. Black Friday's coming up, Cyber Monday's coming up, so definitely start planning out your ads now. You don't want to wait for that. Definitely start planning it out. My buddy Chris actually just put up a video about our Black Friday strategy, so definitely go check that out. His YouTube's just Chris Serve My Business, so go check that out. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.